Welcome to this mini tutorial where we'll be making a beautiful lobster with seed beads. For this we'll use 80 centimeters of jewelry, wire number 28, and size 8 red seed beads plus 2 black ones for the eyes. Let's begin by taking 2 beads and sliding them to the center of the 80 centimeters of wire. Since we're going to start from the head of the lobster, as you can see, you must always cross both wire ends. Now let's take 3. We're always widening a bit and then narrowing to give the lobster its ideal body shape. Now we take 1 red, 1 black, and we're going to place the eyes. So we place 5 seed beads, as you can see, interspersing the black ones, which will be the eyes of our lobster. Throughout the video, you'll notice how many seed beads I use for the body and how we're going to make the legs, since, remember, it has the first legs that are thick at the tip. So we'll now see how to make them. For these legs, we're going to take 16 seed beads. Slide them to the bottom and bring the wire back through the first 4 closest to the body. Always hold those 4 firmly with your fingers, so the legs don't slip and leave wire showing, but instead remain well joined. On the other side, do the same. The legs obviously go on both sides. Now we continue with the body. Take 5 seed beads. Then make another body row. Wire number 28 is one of the thinnest. It's very easy to work with, but if you don't have number 28, you can use number 26, which is a bit thicker, but it will work as well. Now let's add more legs. Take 4 beads and return through 3, leaving just 1 on top. Notice, always hold firmly with your hands when tightening these legs. Another 4. And that's how we always make the lobster's legs. Remember, these pendants are very trendy. You can use them for necklaces, you can make them with larger beads and attach them to a key ring. To decorate bags, make small keychains. You can also use them for necklaces, bracelets, or even earrings, since they're not very big. We make more legs of 4 beads on each side. Remember, legs, then body. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us on social media. Also, activate the bell so you get notified of our new videos. If you'd like to learn more elaborate accessories, we have several video workshops available, where I teach different models of accessories we make in our store. This leg is smaller. See, we only take 3 beads and go back through 2. Do this on both sides. Always hold the first beads where the wire crosses, so they don't slip. And leave the legs separated from the body. Now we continue with the body. Make 4 rows of 3. This is the first row. This is the second row of 3. As you can see, there are 2 rows of 3. Now make 2 more rows of 3. This part is just the body. Now add a row of 2 beads, then the final row. 5 beads for the lobster's tail, which is slightly larger. Place it and pull. The wires down to form a small curve. See how we arrange it. You can see how it looks now. To give the lobster more rigidity, we pass the remaining wire around the edge of the lobster where the wires are. But first, as you can see, I intertwined the wires through the 2 beads placed before the last 5. Now we weave the wire all around the edge, simply passing it from back to front. This adds strength so it won't be loose or lose its shape. Thank you so much for following and sharing my work. Remember to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and also follow me on my social networks. You'll find me as Marcela Store on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Do the same on the other side. Just pass the wire around the edge through the outer wires. Remember, this is to give rigidity to the structure. The list of materials will be posted below. As you saw, we only used 3 materials. Now I adjust the legs and weave the wire between the first 2 beads I placed at the beginning. Look, I weave them. Since it's thin, it passes easily through the beads. If you use thicker wire that doesn't go through, Just go back like I'm showing, weaving around the wire and cutting it to reinforce the structure. And now our lobster is finished. Thank you so much.